Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to create viral videos using the CapCut AI tools. Let's get started. First, open the CapCut on your phone or computer. Next, go to the AI tools or script to video feature inside the app. Then type a prompt like create a motivational short video about success and discipline. You can type your ideas, whatever you like. CapCut will automatically generate a video script, scenes, and visuals based on your prompt. And after that, you can customize your video editing by editing the clips and scenes, text overlays, voiceovers, and caption. And here you can also improve your prompt by being more specific. You can add music, effects, transitions to make it more engaging. And once you're done, preview your video and click export. Finally, upload it to the social media platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, or YouTube Shorts. And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.